अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, मैं हूं सुजावल खान और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल इन्फो सेक्शन। दोस्तों आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए एक बहुत ही अहम वीडियो लेकर आया हूं, एआई के मतलब है। तो आप लोग जल्दी से मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। इसी तरह की मैं मज़ीद जो इन्फॉर्मेटिव है, अपडेटेड टेक्नोलॉजी एआई के रेलिवेंट वीडियोज़ हैं उनको ढूंढ के उनका सारा रिव्यू करके उनको उर्दू में ट्रांसलेट करके आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करता रहूँगा। तो देखते हैं इस वीडियो, और ये सारी वीडियो जो है वो उर्दू ट्रांसलेटेड है, तो आप लोग इसको अच्छी तरह अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं।
Well, I do code for fun, but I want to code for something meaningful. So every single project I've ever done has been something I needed, and
so really both Linux and Git kind of arose almost as an unintended consequence of your desire not to have to work with too many people.
Absolutely, yes. Now,
that's amazing.
yeah, I think everybody in this country should learn how to program a computer. Should learn a computer language because it teaches you how to think. It's the idea that matters. It didn't matter where you come from or what your background is. One revolutionary idea, one brilliant invention can unleash other entrepreneurs to revolutionize industries in ways you could never predict. People working anywhere in the world, born anywhere in the world, can create a product and make it available to anyone in the world. The most used messaging app in Southeast Asia was built by a young man born in Ukraine who moved to the US. And the three most popular viral games in the US in recent years came from entrepreneurs in Finland, Ireland, and Vietnam. You're the ones building the next Google, the next Spotify, the next Tesla, the next, well, we don't even know, but what I know is that someone in this room will build it.
Computer science is by far the closest thing to magic, and it's certain that the world wouldn't be where it is right now without the existence of this magnificent branch of science. And this branch of science is growing so fast that it's difficult for even good programmers to keep up with it. Every day a new technology is releasing. Every day new opportunities are rising.